whatever the teachers has taught us from A to Z, are we writing the same pattern? The answer is no, we do not write the same pattern. Our pattern has changed. If you tell 10 people to write M, you will see n number of pattern of M. If you are telling to write oxygen, so you will see the pattern of Y, the pattern of G, the pattern of E is completely different for those 10 people. Yes or no? Correct? So 5 things to avoid in signatures. So what are the 5 things we should not do in our signature? And why we should not do? We will learn all these things. क्यों नहीं करना है? और करने से क्या impact पड़ता है? What impact, negative impact it gives us? Why signature is important? जबकि हम regularly signature करते भी नहीं है. Nowadays it's an online generation. Everybody transfer money online, everything has gone online, but then to how this impact in our life, that we will understand from this masterclass workshop. Secret of a signature that will attract money and happiness. So how your handwriting and how your signature can attract money and happiness. Happiness kahan se aata hai? Money se, relationship se, success, each and everything is interlinked. That also we will learn. How to create opportunity through signature and graphotherapy. So that is called a graphology. Graphology is completely study of handwriting and signature. And graphotherapy is the solution. Whatever problem we are analyzing from a handwriting or a signature, so we can provide a graphotherapy. जैसे हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, डॉक्टर give us medicine. Doctor tell us take a X-ray, just do a ECG. So do you know what is ECG, how ECG works, and what is the purpose behind of a ECG? Can anybody type it in a chat box? ECG. Anybody? ECG, why we do ECG? We do
Hello?
ECG. Yes, my voice is audible to everyone.
There is a disturbance in voice. Right? Sometime it is becoming mute and again step by step.
Okay. Now see, just check it out. If my voice is not audible, might be there are some this network issues, but it will be okay. No worries. Don't worry. So
Okay.
why do we do ECG? Because we have to check how our heart is functioning. That's the reason we do a ECG, right? Same manner, how the thought process, what kind of thought process we are developing in our mind, to check that we analyze handwriting and signature. Through handwriting and signature, we can understand the secret of a person. We can understand the habits of a person. We can understand the character of a person. Many of the things we can understand from handwriting and signature, the relationship of a person, satisfaction, money, many things we can understand. Okay. Secrets of a signature that will attract money and happiness. How to create opportunity. So all these 5 things we will learn from a from this 3 days workshop. So all are interested to learn all these things, to understand, please type it in a chat box. Yes. Okay, so everybody has told me yes. So can I give my introduction with your permission?
Yes.
Thank you. So my name is Monica Bhaumik. I'm a graphologist and a success coach. Uh, I'm a founder and CEO of Vedant Coaching Classes that is completely related to academic, school section and college section, and Vision 90 training. So here we conduct lots of training like graphology, NLP, soft skill, leaderships, entrepreneurship. So all this we conduct under Vision 90 Training Academy. So I'm an entrepreneur, motivational speaker, graphologist, and a success coach. I have done a job for 9 years into a corporate industry, and then I shift to business. Then I moved to business. From last 4 years, I'm into a business. I started with Vedant coaching classes from the academic section, and then again I started the second segment of my business, that is Vision 90 Training Academy, that is completely into a training sections, grooming the person for to get a success in a life. I guide many people in their personal and professional life around the world. So many times we face a problem in our personal life and professional life. So there also I help many people. I have changed many people life from failure to success journey. Many times what happened, we stuck somewhere, we do not understand okay, why we are not growing in our life, what is the reason behind that. So in that case also, through graphology, through NLP, and through my all experience, I guide people, I supported them to achieve their goals in their life. So this are my all introduction. You should know like to whom you are speaking and from whom you are getting a trained. So that's the reason introduction is most important thing. So now we are entering to a main point, that is a graphology. First we will have a little bit of introduction. What is graphology? Can anybody can brief it or tell it what is graphology? Any idea? Anyone? Yes, Himansh.
Uh, Graphology, it is a branch of science which deals with the personality analysis of the person from the person's handwriting and signature. Actually,
Very,
graphology is a word which is made from two words, grapho and logy. Grapho is a Greek word called handwriting and logy means science.
very good. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Graphology is a word which has derived from grapho plus logy. So from a graphology is a science to analyze the human behavior through handwriting and signature. So it is not invented. It is called a pseudoscience. It is completely science. It is not like a astrology or something else. It is completely based on science. Graphology is a science. You can check it out in the Google itself, to analyze the human behavior through handwriting and signature. So why it is a science? Because whatever handwriting we are writing, it will not match with anyone. Yes or no? If you are writing something in a paper and that paper I am jumbling with 1,000 people, can you identify your handwriting? Yes or no? Please type it in a chat box. Can you identify your handwriting from that
Yes.
500 sample? Is it yes or no? Yes. Why you can understand? Because your handwriting is unique. Your handwriting is coming from your subconscious mind. Whatever you are writing, that is completely coming from your brain to your hand, and from hand to finger, and finger to paper. So handwriting cannot be manipulated. Many times we are depressed, we are not happy, but then too we manipulate our words, we manipulate our face also. Yes, हम manipulate कर लेते हैं. We are very sad or depressed, but then too we keep on smiling in front of others whenever we go to office or some other party or gatherings. But internally we are not happy. So that is manipulation. But handwriting is not at all possible. Handwriting में आप manipulate नहीं कर सकते हो, because handwriting is directly coming from your subconscious mind. एंड सिग्नेचर कम्स फ्रॉम योर कॉन्शियस माइंड. सिग्नेचर करते टाइम हम बहुत अलर्ट हो जाते हैं. अलर्टली हम सिग्नेचर करते कि प्रॉपरली होना चाहिए, डॉट प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, स्लैंट प्रॉपर होना चाहिए. जैसा भी आप सिग्नेचर करते हो वो एकदम कॉन्शियस माइंड से करते हो, अलर्ट माइंड से करते हो. So that's the reason signature comes from a conscious mind and handwriting comes from a subconscious mind. और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को कोई मैनिपुलेट नहीं कर सकता, डायरेक्टली आपके ब्रेन से आ रहा है वो. ग्राफो प्लस थेरेपी इज ए ग्राफोलॉजी. ग्राफो इज व्हाट? ग्राफ. द वे आई टोल्ड यू, ईसीजी ग्राफ, सेल्स ग्राफ. ईसीजी ग्राफ से क्या पता चलता है? हाउ आवर हार्ट इज फंक्शनिंग. Same way, from graphology we can understand what kind of thoughts you are developing in your mind. आपकी पर्सनालिटी कैसा है, आप कैसा सोचते हो. आप जैसा सोचोगे रिजल्ट भी आपको वैसा ही मिलेगा. Whatever we are getting in our life is depend on our mindset. हमारा mindset कैसा है, हमारा mindset जैसा होगा हमें रिजल्ट भी वैसा मिलेगा, सक्सेस भी वैसा ही मिलेगा. So graphology completely work on your mindset. आपके mindset पे काम करता है वो. So graph you know very well, and logic is a study of what? Graph. For you it is a handwriting, but for a graphologist any handwriting is not a handwriting, it is a graph. Whenever a graphologist do a handwriting and signature analysis, we do not read a sentence. जब हम सैंपल लेते हैं, सैंपल ऑफ हैंडराइटिंग, तो हमें कुछ मतलब नहीं है कोई भी कंटेंट क्या लिखा हो, कुछ भी कंटेंट लिखने दो. We just focus on the alphabet and the pattern. We do not read the content also. Without reading the content, without knowing the person, you can understand the thought process of a person. You can understand the character of a person. You can understand the habit of a person. You can understand the weakness of a person. You can understand the passion of a person, the strength of a person without knowing that person, without reading the content. Isn't it amazing? Yes or no? Please type it in a chat box. Is it amazing or not? Interesting?
Yes, yes.
Who has? Prajwal, Margi, Maninder. Wow, everybody told yes. Rajiv, very good, very nice. Very nice. So, graphologist, without knowing a person, without reading a content, he can understand a secret of a person, habit, सब कुछ पता चल सकता है, because handwriting is coming from a subconscious mind. तो ग्राफोलॉजिस्ट क्या कर लेता है? ग्राफोलॉजिस्ट आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में चला जाता है, एंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाने के बाद वो सब कुछ सारा डेटा कलेक्ट कर लेता है थ्रू योर हैंडराइटिंग. दिस इज द वे द ग्राफोलॉजी डू द एनालिसिस ऑफ अ हैंडराइटिंग. क्लियर विद दिस पार्ट एवरीवन? कैन आई मूव अहेड?
Yes, we can go ahead.
Thank you. So graphology is a science from which we can understand the behavior, habit, strength, weakness, intelligence. How much the person is intelligent. वो ब्रेन का यूज कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है ये भी हमें पता चलता है फ्रॉम अ हैंडराइटिंग. इमोशनल, द पर्सन इज इमोशनल और द पर्सन इज मोर प्रैक्टिकल और एनालिटिकल. ऑल दिस थिंग वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम अ हैंडराइटिंग. द माइंडसेट ऑफ अ पर्सन, पर्सनालिटी, कैरेक्टर, सारे सीक्रेट्स पता चल जाते हैं फ्रॉम अ हैंडराइटिंग, बिकॉज अ ग्राफोलॉजिस्ट हैज अ राइट्स टू गो एनीबडीज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पे वो चले जाते हैं कोई भी पर्सन के थ्रू दी हैंडराइटिंग. हैंडराइटिंग इज द मीडियम. इट रिवील्स द पास्ट, प्रेजेंट एंड ऑल द सीक्रेट अबाउट द पर्सन. तो पास्ट के बारे में पता चलेगा, पास्ट में अगर कुछ ट्रेजेडी हुई है तो पता चल जाएगा. प्रेजेंट स्टेट ऑफ माइंड कैसा है, एट प्रेजेंट माइंड कैसा है, डिप्रेस्ड है, एंगर मोड पे है, लोनलीनेस है. ऑल दिस थिंग वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड. ये एस्ट्रोलॉजर नहीं है, एस्ट्रोलॉजी में फ्यूचर प्रेडिक्शन होता है, बट ग्राफोलॉजी पास्ट एंड प्रेजेंट हम पास्ट एंड प्रेजेंट के बारे में फैक्ट्स बताते हैं, फैक्ट्स कंप्लीट 100% फैक्ट्स, and according to that we can understand the future of a person, because पर्सन का फ्यूचर कौन डिसाइड करता है? पर्सन का फ्यूचर डिसाइड करता है उसका कैरेक्टर, उसकी पर्सनालिटी, उसकी हैबिट। तो जैसे ही कोई भी पर्सन का हमें पर्सनालिटी, कैरेक्टर, हैबिट पता चल जाएगा, तो उसके बारे में हम ऑटोमेटिकली हम पता लगा लेंगे कि उसकी फ्यूचर में उसका ग्रोथ कैसा रहेगा। So handwriting is also called as a brain writing. Handwriting is also called as a brain writing. क्यों brain writing बोलते हैं इसको? Can anybody can tell it?
Because whatever we write, it comes from the brain. It comes from the mind.
It comes from the mind. Whatever we are writing, it's directly coming from a mind. जब भी हम कुछ भी लिखते हैं तो हमको इंडिकेशन कौन देता है? इवन दो हमें एक मॉस्किटो भी काट लेता है, या फिर somebody is touching us or somebody is pinning us, so how we understand? सबसे पहले इंडिकेशन ब्रेन से आता है, राइट? सबसे पहले इंडिकेशन कहाँ से आता है? ब्रेन से आता है, और ब्रेन से ही सब जगह फ्लो होता है। So whatever we are writing completely coming from a brain, that's the reason it is called a brain writing. It is a brain print of any graphic movement produced in the brain. Produce, brain में जो produce हो रहे हैं उसके ग्राफ के बारे में हम चर्चा करते हैं इसमें। Our brain print reveals who we are. Brain prints, जो ब्रेन है, जो ब्रेन में जो प्रिंट्स है, जो ग्राफ बन के हमारे हैंडराइटिंग से पता चलता है, उससे पता चलता है कि who we are, हम कौन है, how we think, हम सोचते कैसे, हमारा सोचने का पैटर्न कैसा है, हमारी फीलिंग्स कैसी है, और हम बिहेव कैसे करते हैं। So all this thing we can understand from a handwriting. Interesting or not? Is it interesting or not?
Yes, interesting.
Great. Our handwriting is a X-ray. Same way, X-ray, जैसे हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, whenever we go to a doctor's and we have some problem in our brain or leg and which is not visible, why we take a X-ray? X-ray हम क्यों लेते हैं? Because हमें अंदर की चीजें दिखती नहीं है, तो हमें डॉक्टर क्या बोलते हैं? Just go for X-ray, और X-ray से हमें पता चलता है what is there inside our body, right? Same way, our handwriting is a X-ray. Because ग्राफोलॉजिस्ट क्या करता है? डायरेक्ट सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पे चला जाता है उस पर्सन के। द ग्राफोलॉजिस्ट हैज ए कैपेसिटी टू एंटर टू एनीबॉडीज माइंड थ्रू अ हैंडराइटिंग। डायरेक्टली ही कैन एंटर टू अ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड। दैट्स द रीजन इट इज कॉल्ड एज ए एक्सरे ऑफ अवर माइंड। एक्सरे मतलब आपके ब्रेन के थॉट प्रोसेस को समझ लेता है। That's the reason it is called an X-ray of our mind. Our fingerprints are unique. हमारे fingerprints unique होते हैं, right? Our fingerprints do not match with anyone. Same way, हमारे handwriting भी किसी के साथ match नहीं होते हैं. Our handwriting do not match with anyone. Even though somebody tried to copy it, तो फिर भी आप देखेंगे the pattern, the pressure, the slant will not match. 100% will not match. Our handwriting and signature are unique. Our brain are unique. हमारा brain कैसा है? Unique है. Hence we are unique. That's the reason we are unique.